Hey everybody, it's Prentice with Super Detail Store and Detail in Progress. Want to let you know that we've got a very special event next week, Tuesday, July 8th, from 9 to 4 here at the store. We're going to have Sarah Coleman-Lienhart from RUPES teaching us how to wet sand, damp sand, automobile paint to remove larger imperfections, maybe the ones that your buffer's not handling. So if you want to learn how to do this and do it safely and not take a lot of paint off the car, this is the class for you. We will also be going over the RUPES system for dual action random orbit polishing. So that's a good refresher for you there. You'll have a chance to play with this stuff hands-on for sure. And we will have lunch. We'll bring lunch in. We'll have some breakfast goodies in the morning. But we're going to talk about wet and damp sanding with the full-size machine, with a 3-inch, and also with the Nano. So, and how to use all these different products after you've sanded. Then what do you do? So you're going to get the whole system. And Sarah, I've worked with Sarah personally a number of times on training events, and she's phenomenal. She's a wealth of information. So we hope to see you there next week. Go online at superdetail.com to register. You do need to register in advance. It's $295, well worth the price, no problem. So come on in, register, and we'll see you here next Tuesday, July 8th, here at the Super Detail Store.